I keep seeing these posts on Instagram about the actual lyrics to the popular Jamaican folk song is Sammy plant peas and corn down a gully. And guys, let me just say this now because I know that not a lot of people have time to watch the entire video. This is wrong. Let me explain.
Come let me teach you patois now.
Hello everyone, welcome to Shan's Patois Academy, Jamaican Patois Simplified. My name is Shan, your Jamaican Patois teacher from Jamaica. SAMMY DEAD is a popular folk song in Jamaica, but recently the lyrics to the song seems to be causing some confusion. I don't know who started it, but I hope it ends here. Here are 3 reasons why peas and corn has to be wrong. Number 1. Here are the actual lyrics to the song. This is the common spelling version that was found on the internet and the Cassidy JLU spelling version that was found in Basic Jamaican that was written by Larry Chang. Now let's look at these 2 sets of lyrics. The lyrics read, Sammy plant peas a corn down a gully. And he beer till he kill poor Sammy. Sammy dead, Sammy dead, Sammy dead-o, Sammy dead, Sammy dead, Sammy dead-o. Guys, you can pause the screen to read through the lyrics. But like it starts off, Sammy plant peas a corn down a gully. So that's number 1. All the lyrics that I found on the internet and in books have Sammy plant peas a corn down a gully. No. Number 2. Now let's play devil's advocate. What if everybody and their mothers got that part of the lyrics wrong? Let's look at the language. It is quite strange that only those 2 words are in proper English, smack in the middle of a song that is written in Jamaican patois. And if that was the case, peas and corn, Sammy plant peas and corn down a gully, Annie beer. Knowing how English works, peas and corn would be 2 things. Knowing how Jamaican patois works, peas and corn would be 2 things. So, Sammy plant peas and corn down a gully, and them beer till them kill poor Sammy would have been the next line. Because A refers to one thing, which is a piece of corn, and them would refer to 2, which is peas and corn. So right there we see that it could be peas and corn because the following lines say a beer, referring to one thing, that one thing being the piece of corn. Right? Number 3, let's look at the context. Now, I found a blog post written by Joanne on the internet that sums this up really well. And I'm going to read it here for context. Now, this was a very good read, and I suggest that if you want to read the entire thing, you can go and read it. But this part is the part that I'm going to quote. Regarding whether Sammy planted peas of corn or peas and corn, Smith was emphatic. It was peas of corn. He then went on to explain the conditions that prevailed when that song was written. In those days, freed slaves who wanted to farm had no land of their own, so they had to rent or lease piece of land from their former slave or colonial masters. On this small holding, they would plant piece of cane, piece of pumpkin, piece of corn, piece of yam, etc. In some areas, small yam holdings are known as yam ground. Those who planted 3 crops describe their holdings as walk. Hence, you have walk, like mango walk, orange walk, etc. Now, this other folk song called Mr. Potter confirms the use of the word piece in reference to small farming. So, this is the lyrics to the song. Good morning, Mr. Potter. Good morning to you, sir. I plant a piece of red peas, a red Sally land. Mary Jane and Pigeon come eat it off, sir. So a plant a pisa, red peas, is what it would be referred to. So a pisa is referring to the small holding. So now that you know that the actual lyrics of the song is Sammy plant pisa can and not peas and corn, please enjoy this rendition of the Jamaican folk song.
Sammy plant pisa can down a gully, and he beer till he kill poor Sammy. Sammy dead, Sammy dead, Sammy dead, oh. Sammy dead, Sammy dead, Sammy dead, oh.
So guys, now that you know that this is the actual lyrics to the song, the next time you see those posts floating around, I was today years old when I found out, please just go in the comment section and correct them. And just as Joanne said in her article, let's not dilute the culture. Well, that's all I have to say about this. Thank you so much for watching, and please check out some of the other videos that are on this channel.
Are the bell that? Class done, you know. Take care of yourself, Zine. Please like, share, and subscribe. And please hit that notification bell so that you may be notified every time when I upload a video. Also, please follow me on Instagram for daily Jamaican patois vocabulary. Are the bell that? Class done, you know. Take care of yourself, Zine.